Hello everyone.
Today we are going to guide you on how to create attendance policy in CamAttendance portal. To begin with, go to Settings, then click on Attendance. After that, under Attendance Setting, select Morning in Default Shift Plan. Then, in Default Holiday Calendar, select Holiday 2022. In the working hours calculation, select total hours. In minimum hours for full day, select 831 hours. Under minimum hours for half day, select 4 hours. And after that, in enable comp off, you can switch it on or off according to your needs. Now, in Enable OT, select 5 hours as minimum hours for OT. After that, in Enable POW, select POW value as POW. You can turn on or off the Enable POH as per need. Then, in Leave Status, select L, and in Maximum Shift Hours, select 17 hours, and in the Night Shift End Time, select 7. After that, you may enable or disable the Enable Short Leaves, and finally click on Save. Lastly, you will get a pop-up of attendance settings updated successfully. Now, moving ahead, click on Attendance Policies. After that, click on Add New. Then, add Policy ID as HLF Policy, Policy Name as HLF. Then from Applicable Shift, select All. In the exception, type Select Late Arrival. In Based on Select Working Hours, and in Logical Operator, select Greater than Equal to. Furthermore, add 15 under Value. In the Occurrence, add Count as 3. In the Action, select Mark Half Day. And in the Additional Action, select as None. And finally, click on Save. Lastly, you will receive notification of attendance policy added successfully. Now, to add one more attendance policy, click on Add New. Then add Policy ID as Present, Policy Name as Present Policy. Then from Applicable Shift, select all options. In the exception type, check mark all given options. In the Based on Select Not Applicable, then in Occurrence, add Count as 1. In the Action, select Mark Present, and in the Additional Action, select None. And finally, click on Save. Lastly, you will receive notification of attendance policy added successfully. Thank you for your time and patience. We will meet you soon in our next tutorial video.